Gold has started the week with a little retracement towards 1945 and now has erased all the gains and again trading with the bearish bias. So now what to expect from gold, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. The next update on gold will be released before the US session, what that is well. Let's start. First, we look into hourly charts. On the hourly charts, there was a divergence of price from the moving average. It has converged towards the moving average 20 period towards 1945 and is now again trying to trade with a drop. If you look at the charts here, a ceiling is created, a top is created at 1940-42 zone, which is going to be a greater resistance for gold for the day. And if you see gold staying above 1942, we can say a little rise can be expected towards 1948 levels, which is a greater resistance for now, and beyond 1948, 1954 levels. So first is 1947, 48, and then 1950, 54 levels, which is going to be the next milestone for gold for the day. On the downside, I will wait for it to break past the preceding lows close to 1933 levels, and below 1933 is where slight bearishness to be seen towards 29 and 25 levels. Stochastic looking down, trying to trade with a bearish bias. MACD is again trying to trade with little divergence and bearishness. And see, it has seen maximum divergence. That is why we had seen a little convergence. Now again trying to trade bearish. Stochastic is again back to bottom, coming to 2 hours. On the 2 hour charts, we have seen the drop, the little retracement, and again trying to trade with the bearish bias. I will wait for it to break below 1933 in order to confirm further bearishness here. That is the only level below which we can expect it to trade with further bearish bias towards 1929-25 levels. Stochastic has retraced. MACD is trading with divergence. It is again looking bearish. It is again looking downwards here. And one must note, see, when it was bullish, it has achieved the highs at plus 10, plus 15 levels. So on the downside, if it is bearish, it can try to move towards minus 10, minus 15 as well. RSI at bottom. Coming to 3 hour chart. Looking at 3 hour chart, see a drop, little retracement. Remember, it is trading with extreme divergence with the moving average. We have to exercise a little caution. Let it break below 1933, the preceding lows, and then only further bearishness to prevail there. We may see a movement towards 1929-30 level. And then, as I shared in my weekly review for gold, that 1925 is the level I will be looking forward to, and 1925, 1908 is the zone where we will see maximum support for gold, because below that it will try to turn bearish towards 1890, 1880 level. But largely, if you look at, see, first red candle, second red candle on the 3 hour charts has just started. We may see a third red candle as well towards 1929-30, but that is a good support level. Remember this fact. Stochastic has retraced, it has come out of the oversold zone. MACD is still trading with a bearish bias and it is looking downwards as of now. Also, the point to note here is the divergence of the price from the moving average. The farther it diverges, the chances for it to converge will increase, or wait for the moving average to come down and then possibly it will try to converge. So yes, the farther it drops, the lower it drops, the chances for it to bounce back will also increase. We have to wait and watch how it behaves, specifically in 1933, 1930 zone. That is a maximum support zone for the day, and from those levels a little retracement can be seen towards 1936, 38 or 40 levels, and from there again bearishness may prevail. Stochastic has come out of the oversold zone. MACD is bearish. RSI at bottom. Coming to 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, likewise the drop, couple of retracement candles, and now this breakout, and this is the first red candle in the series. There is a possibility to get a second or third red candle. If specifically the second red candle is seen below 1933, we may see it moving towards 1930, 1929 zone, and then further lows towards 1925 can be expected. But we have to also note, again I am saying, too much of divergence. What has happened here, if you look at what has happened here, see, it is repeating the same. It diverged more and then a strong convergence was seen. Likewise, what is happening here, divergence from the moving average, and then it can try to converge. So one thing is, it will wait for the moving average to come down. It will move downwards, wait for the moving average to come towards 1940-45 zone, and then climb towards those levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI again at bottom. Coming to the now, before I come to the daily charts and give you the trading levels and strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is starting on 20th of November. Register yourself now itself, equip yourself with the tools, techniques and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And you can register by visiting my platform forexfunda.com. Here at the front page itself, you will find the details related to the batch. You can also register for webinar. This platform has much more for you, whether be it the live stories, breaking news from the markets, the economic calendar where you can track the major events across the globe, and yes, the markets data where you can find the chart of your favorite instrument, be it anything which is getting traded across the globe, be it economy, be it bonds, be it currency, crypto, CFD, indices, futures, stocks, everything is available here. Yes, you can also schedule a call if you need a guidance or a consultation with me. And the important part is the availability of a forum where you can discuss, you can put your views, you can have a discussion with your like-minded traders. Register for the platform, register for the mentorship. And yes, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can join my premium Telegram signals channel. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email regarding the signals channel. Now, if you look at the daily chart, see, this was the week beginning candle here was slightly bullishness, and then since then we have seen lower lows, lower highs. Thus, once it breaks below 1933, that is the point at which we can say that the bearishness might prevail, but then 1930-29 and then 1925 levels are going to be the major support levels here. Yes, it may try to erase the gains what we had seen here. It can completely erase the gains here and then bounce back. So this is one position I will be looking forward to, specifically if the prices stays up below 1930, little more accelerated bearishness to be seen here. Thus, a selling entry at 1933 can be taken, but with a caution note. At the same time, I will recommend you to buy today if you see gold staying above 1942. Now, beyond 1942, now see couple of resistances, 1944-45 is also one of the milestones, then 1948 and then 1954. These three key levels, if gold takes away, then we can say that the prices have turned bullish and we are looking at 1960-1970 zone. So yes, prices can swing. The market, the day has just started, the week has just started. We can see swings here, but only bullish confirmation is if you see the prices staying above 1954. However, it can retrace, and thus to enjoy the retracement, you can buy at 1942 levels, expect 44-45 first, then 48 next, and then 54 levels as the target. Take your trades accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Join my mentorship page, join my signals channel, join my webinar, and yes, you can join the free Telegram channel to get the live market updates. Do not miss this opportunity to be the part of the mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details or visit my platform forexfunda.com for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.